RUF SCR arrived at Geneva Motor Show 40 years after the original. A year ago, the German specialty carmaker RUF introduced a yellow Porsche 911 shaped car at the Geneva Motor Show. Despite appearing familiar, the new yellow badge CTR was its first product designed and engineered entirely in-house, and it was also the world's first rear-engined car with a carbon monocoque. This year, RUF is back with a new product. This time, it's green. The original RUF SCR was unveiled in 1978, and the 2018 car is a hat tip to the original one. But it's not physically based on any existing Porsche, unlike with, say, Singer, and unlike the 2016 SCR, which used a 993 body in white as its basis, with a 964-like carbon bodywork replacing its panels. The new SCR relies on the aforementioned carbon monocoque, with no need for a 993 inside at all. The 2018 SCR weighs just 2,755 pounds, and its 510 horsepower 4-litre 6-cylinder boxer engine is still naturally aspirated. None of that turbo nonsense which has recently taken over Porsche. It produces 347 pound-feet of torque at 5,760 RPM, while maximum power output is reached at 8,270 RPM. Top speed is 320 km per hour, or a touch under 200 miles per hour.